In this video, I'll guide you through how you can recover permanently delete files and folders in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To recover permanently delete file, we need to going through a few simple methods. Let's start the first one. Once you delete your file, videos or photos by mistake, then at first need to look for recycle bin. At the beginning, double click on recycle bin and check for the item which is recently deleted. If you didn't find it, then jump to the next step. On the next step, you need to click on the Windows key and search for Control Panel. Now click on Category and search by categories. Now click on System and Security and then File History. If your file history is turned on, then you can recover the file, photos or videos from this place. But for me, it's turned off. So jump to the next step. On the next step, click on the Windows key again and search for Microsoft Store and click on it. Once you open Microsoft Store, then search for Windows Recovery. Then open Windows File Recovery Software and click on Get button. Now wait for a few seconds to download and install Windows File Recovery on your computer. Once it is installed, then click on Open. Now this software offers two different modes, regular and extensive. If you delete your file, photos folder recently, then you can go with regular, and if you delete it a long time ago, then you can go with extensive. First click on it and type WinFR, and that's mean we start all the command. You can also see the example here. Now space, then you need to specify the drive where the file was located. Let's think your delete file location was C drive, so we need to press C, then pull on. Now give a space. Now you need to specify the location where the rest of videos, photos will be stored. Now type / and type your mode. At first I recommend all of you to go with regular modes, but if it's not working, then you can go with extensive. Now if you hit your enter key, then your computer will scan all of the file which you delete from your computer, and that's take a lots of time. But this software allow you to search for a specific file. Let's go with the specific file. To find a specific file, at first you need to type / then N. Then hit your spacebar and choose the file, photos or videos. Let's go with photos, then / then star and type the file extension. If you search for PNG file, then .png, and if you want to go with JPG, then you can type JPG, and if you want to search for docs file, then you can go with .docx. Once you type the file extension, then hit your enter key. Now press Y to start the process. Now you have to wait for a few minutes to complete the scan process. Once the process is finished, then the photos, videos or file will be restored. Once you select a drive, but if this method doesn't work for you, then go with the last method. First open the web browser, search for CCleaner. Now hold your mouse on home and search Recuva. Now click on download free version. Then this crashing plan will open, and you can go with free one and click on free download. Then this page will open and click on download. Now wait for a few seconds to download Recuva on your computer. Once the software downloads, then double click on it to install it on your computer and click on install. Then click on run Recuva, click on next and select all files and click on next. Then it is select where the file is located. If you can't specify it, then you can go with I'm not sure and click on next. Then you will find an option called Enable Deep Scan, but I recommend you keep it as it is for the first time and then click on Start button. But if you didn't find the file, photos or videos which is deleted, then you can go back to this place and enable Deep Scan and click on Start. Now click on Start button, then you can recover permanently deleted file and folder in Windows 11.